So, I am JV Lawrence Villarobi. I am a full stack developer, and my part name is Rodrigo Maglocot, which is he is an UX designer and documentation. So our system is Calio, Barangay Health Management System with blockchain integrated. So we designed siya for the District A Thomas Claudio Health Office. So ang problem sa District A is they have paper base, so uh, hard to track, slow record retrieval, and also the human error, and also the misplaced documents. So we have the solution. So first we have a web-based platform for the mobile span system, so ma-access nila, masingasa sila. And also for health workers, secure, manage, and access electronics, which is like EMRs. So kani siya easy to track, organize all the documents, and also secured. So para po sa resident, they have book appointments or their queue numbers and receive health announcements online. So sing asa sila ma-track nila or makita nila sa mga new na updates sa barangay. Also, among features, we have blockchain. So it protect the all the sensitive data for health records. So QR code system, so for fast and secure access to health records, and also the mobile responsive system, which is our web platform. So benefits ani kay less paperwork, faster services, and also the help of blockchain secure siya. So let's go on our system. So this is our landing page. So una, register ka, na-form dre. So dre, so nasa 5 steps. So kanina mga kuan, galing gikan ni siya sa City Health na all information or data na dre. So i-try na to login ang admin lang. So para makita sa naa. So kaya dyan naka-deploy na siya sa Vercel. So it's a free hosting na siya. Free hosting. So mo ni ang overview or dashboard sa barangay admin. Kita niya dari ang demography, also kani and also makita niya ang registered resident, so matrack niya through name ana lang. So also na-upload sila tawag na digital ID. So muna na digital ID niya. So pag-scan mo na yung QR, magawas ang personal informations. So also the admin makreate siya users. Also mo ni ang staff. Also ang staff, di ba, na po siya ma-track niya ang staff niya. Also ang ginabuhat sa staff niya, makita po niya. Also the doctors. Ni, sige buhat sa doctor, sige buhat sa staff, ana. Also the announcements. So karon na pa. So diri makascan siya og mga QR. So functional siya as you can see. Also let's go on our open source. So the libraries we have is Next.js, so MIT license siya. Also React, MIT license, Lost React, and Recharge for the charge. Also the Ether.js, URL scanner, Hardhat, kaya mo gamit namo for the blockchain, uh, for testing sa Infura. First may Apache database. And our third parties, we have blockchain interface node providers, so Infura, Sifulia, and gamit naman ni kay Sifulia testnet. And email and kung nagamit mo yung node mailer sa email. So kani we have AI assistant, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Tigravity, and Cursor. So kani ay kuha siya less to sensitive the records na send or na kuhan sa pag-prompt. So that's all, ma'am. It's 5 minutes. Thank you.